What's good, y'all? It's Coffee. Tapping back in, man, and Milk74 posts us this very serious, crucial update about CMAC and his future. As you know, he was, last everyone knew, sitting in, not the feds, but in jail, awaiting trial or facing this federal beef that he's got. And, you know, we're all like, what's it going to be, man? Can CMAC make it back out with the record that he's got, this federal gun charge? Like, he was fortunate the last couple of times to come home and regain that momentum that he had, right? Because we know now it's like ADD vibes, man. Motherfuckers forget about something after a week or two, you know? Like, it can go that way. Like, people are amused by memes. It's a whole different era in this blogosphere era. So we're like, what's CMAC looking at? Well, seems his case is going to come to a disposition sooner rather than later, because it looks like he copped a plea, man. You see Milk post this up. Los Angeles, a South LA rapper whose YouTube videos have racked up millions of views, pleaded guilty Monday to a federal charge. Y'all remember when Lil Wayne caught that federal gun charge and he pled guilty at like his first appearance? But we found out there was a twist to that whole situation because he was getting that pardon from Trump. That Bradford Cohen lawyer had it all mapped out and strategic. You know what I'm saying? I wonder how much those pardons cost. I heard it was like $1 million, right? We were talking about that once, me and some of the bros, man. What are individuals paying for those? But CMAC don't have those kind of connections. You feel me? So CMAC definitely grew in popularity and everything and networked a bit, but nothing on that level like Lil Wayne connections, you know? Trevor Hurd, 31. It's so odd to hear CMAC referred to as Trevor Hurd by his government name. Like, you know what I mean? I don't know. It's just like when you following CMAC and his career and everything, to hear Trevor Hurd. Not that I ain't heard it before, but it just hits different. Known by his stage name Crip, pleaded guilty in downtown Los Angeles to one federal count of being a felon in possession of ammo. The charge carries a possible sentence of up to 10 years behind bars. Now, with the feds, man, the way they do sentencing, they have the whole guidelines and the chart, and it goes a lot off your criminal history, violent charges, etc. I don't know, but just my guess, you know what I'm saying? I would think he would do like 7, come home in 5 or something like that. Maybe I'm wrong. Y'all let me know. U.S. District Judge Dale S. Fisher set sentencing for July 22nd in Los Angeles federal court. So what's this? March, April, May, June, July. So like 4 months away. Like I said, this case is coming to a close pretty fast. CMAC copped out quick and in a hurry. Sometimes Fed cases can go on for years, you know. But CMAC ain't out on bail. He's locked the fuck up. You know what I mean? When individuals are out during the process of the court process, hey, attorney, postpone this, keep this going, right? Another YouTuber talking about Pino. That man done had a case. It ain't a Fed case, right? But he been putting that case on hold, having it, like, you know what I mean? You're home. Keep pushing that ish back. When you're in custody, it's like, yo, let's get this over. I'm sitting in the county. This feels like dead time. I need to get to prison where there's more privileges and programs and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? But let's continue on. Hurd was arrested in December in state court by U.S. Marshals moments after L.A. County judge agreed to drop gun charges so federal prosecutors could take the case, court records show. The indictment states that Hurd was found in September in possession of a handgun bearing no serial number, commonly known as a ghost gun, and 10 rounds of ammo. So there was some discrepancies and rumors about what exactly CMAC got knocked with. There you see it cleared up right there. According to the document, Hurd has been arrested on felony charges 5 times since 2014 and convicted at least once. The charges include 2 arrests for being a felon in possession of a firearm, attempted second-degree armed robbery, grand theft, and transportation of a controlled substance, the indictment says. So, damn, I never knew CMAC had no controlled substance-ish in any of his cases. I thought it was always just strictly gun charges and whatnot. But I don't know. There you have it, man. CMAC copped out quick. Going to court against the feds is different. Y'all seen what it's talking about, a maximum of 10 years. Where do you guys think he'll fall in that, sentencing guidelines and all that? You see Milk post up, CMAC beat the fuck up. He's rubbing it in. You know what I mean? Hey, I'm out here doing me. You're about to go to the feds and weren't moving too smart, I guess. I don't know. Let's see what else Milk talking about. Number one rule of having a blower on you is nobody should know you got it on you. Guess that pertains to this situation here. So comment with all your thoughts about CMAC. He ended this case quickly. Kind of surprising to me. Let me know if it surprised you as well. Your thoughts about it all. All those recent arrests, possession and control of a handgun or a weapon or whatever, his gang ties that he openly blogs about, his whole Crip persona is going to play not in his favor, you know? And on top of it all, and then on Milk, one thing I wanted to add before I close this out. We've all been wondering why exactly that happened with Milk. And one of the bros laid out a theory, man, that Milk going to no jumper. Maybe Milk got hit where they deaded off the cash flow from the YT system. And maybe that's why he went over there. Could that make sense? What's your guys' thoughts? Tap in. Subscribe. I'm gone.